How to improve Blender performance? First of all, check your system's hardware. Blender relies heavily on our CPU, GPU, and RAM, so having a good balance is key. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date because outdated drivers can cause slowdowns and crashes. Next, in Blender's preferences, under the System tab, adjust the memory and GPU settings. Enable CUDA or OptiX if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or OpenCL for AMD to speed up rendering by using your graphics card power efficiently. Also increase the undo steps only as much as necessary because having too many can use excessive memory. Another important point is to simplify your scene. Use lower subdivision levels while working and only increase them before rendering. You can also hide objects that are not currently needed to reduce viewport lag. Optimize your textures by using compressed formats and reducing their resolution where possible. Large textures can slow down both viewport performance and rendering times. Also keep your scene organized by removing unused materials, meshes, and other data blocks to keep Blender running clean. Lastly, don't forget to save and restart Blender occasionally during long sessions to clear memory leaks that might slow performance. And that's it. Now you know how to improve Blender performances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.